So now I don't know if I'm going to be including this video on my vlog, but if I'm not, hi, welcome back again to another unboxing video from Temu. Oh my god, Temu. I just really don't finish my money, but the things I got. Let me put this one here. So now the things I bought are mostly my bed cover. Is it bed cover? No. Bed blankets. I bought 2 bed blankets, one for free, and I paid for one. You know, on Temu, if you go on Temu app, you see where they send you a message and said pick 6 items for free, then buy another items worth 60,000 or 50,000 so that they will give you the 6 items for free. That was what I did. So I bought one blanket, one bed blanket, and I got one for free. So we are going to be unboxing this right here and right now. And how much did I even spend on this whole package? I'm going to be inserting it on the screen. But you know what? Let's get right into the unboxing video of today. Oh my god, where will I start? So okay, let's okay, number one item of today, I'm going to be inserting the pictures of the things I bought and also include the price of it, okay, the cost of the things I bought. So this face cap, you all know that I always like putting on face cap because of the sun. I don't put on my wig these days. All I do is to just put on my face cap and I'm good to go. You understand what I'm trying to say? Is to put on my face cap and I'm ready to go. So this is how this face cap is looking. I'm going to be inserting the picture of it on the screen. It comes in 2 pieces. I think I paid for this. I don't think this was free. I think I paid for this. But if I did not, I'm also going to let you guys know on the screen. I will leave a test on the screen for you guys to know if I got it for free or not. So I love this. It's so soft. Oh my god. I have a lot of face cap right now, like a lot of face cap and bucket hats. So this is what I got. It doesn't smell bad. So this is it. So going to be dropping this one right here. So the next item is this face cap. Oh, this one is light. So yeah, I think I got this one for free. Seeing this now, I don't think I like it that much. I don't want to scatter my hair. Let's just keep it here. I'm going to be wearing them and also put the image on the screen so that you guys can see how it looks on me, if it fits me or not. So the next item is this bracelet and necklace I bought. Yeah, this doesn't wash. This is a Sterling. It does not wash. So I bought, this one is a necklace and this one is the bracelet. So if you guys remember, this one I also bought it from Temu and I have been taking my shower with it, and also this bracelet, I have been taking my shower with them. I haven't seen any changes. They haven't tarnished. It's still the same the way I bought it from Temu. It has not tarnished, nothing. Reason why I got this also, and I also bought the, oh my god, and I also bought this bracelet. I think I'm going to be using this one as my leg chain. Yeah, this one is too big for my hand. It's not big, oh, it's not big. So yeah, we're going to be putting this inside, put it right back. And the next item is this ring. Okay, this is how this ring is looking. Let's see. Okay, I think this one is too big for me. I don't know if this is how it is worn. Let's do this. Just want to show you guys. I'll figure it out later when I see the image on how they put it on their finger. Okay. Okay. This is how it's looking, guys. Can you guys see it? This is how it's looking. So I'm just going to keep this, set this aside. So the next thing we'll be unboxing here is this earring. Now I don't really like putting on earring because I don't know if I'm allergic to it or not, because anytime I put on earring I always feel this little bump around my ear, but the moment I remove it the bump is gone. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this and see if this is going to give me that bump that I'm avoiding. It's so hard to open. This is how the ring, I say ring, sorry, the earring is looking. Can you guys even see it? Can you guys even see it? Oh my God. I'm going to be inserting the picture of this earring. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. This camera is playing with me. So let's set this aside. So the next thing I would be unboxing. What is this? Let's see what is inside this plate. Okay, no. I want to unbox the little ones first before we go right into the big ones. So this is a jewelry box. This is a jewelry box. So as to put my jewelry and all, you see this is how this one is looking inside. This one doesn't cost much. I think this one cost me around 6,000 or 5,000 naira. Although I'm going to be inserting it for you guys to, see it, the price in which I got this one. So I also bought this bangle and ring. It comes in sets. So let's unbox it. Oh, I don't think I like this one. I don't think I like this one. This one is going to injure someone if you're not careful. You see this one hanging out? It's going to injure someone if you are not careful. Put this right here like so. So this is a bracelet, guys. I'm going to be inserting the picture. This is how the bracelet is looking. So the next thing I will be unboxing. So I also bought this this set of bracelets. Okay, I bought this set of bracelets. Let me see. This is a sterling also. It doesn't tarnish. So it will last you for a very long time. I'm going to be inserting the image on the screen so that you guys can see it properly. Because as this camera is playing with me, I don't know. So yeah, this is how this one is looking. It's so light. This one, it comes in 5 sets. This one is, I'm going to be giving my sister one. This one 2. And number 3. You see, we have 3 here already. Then 4 and 5. I just pray I'm looking good on this video. If not, I'm going to cry. So it comes in 5 sets. I'm going to be giving my sister one because I can't pack all these chains on my body. So I love it. So this is Telly also. It doesn't tarnish. So let's keep this aside. So what else we have here? I think we have this face cap also. I bought 4 face cap. We have this face cap. So anytime I order something from Temu, I always make sure I buy face cap or bucket hat. I always make sure. So this is how this one is looking. So this one is different from, the material is different from this one. It's different from this one. You can see. What else do we have here? What else? What else? Let's see. Okay. I think we are done with the little things, the jewelry and all. So this one right here is what should keep your dirty clothes. But seeing this right now, I don't think this is a good buy. Okay. I don't think this is a good buy. And I also don't think I have bought something from Shane that I've regret. Apart from the mic I bought, I complained of, and they refund me back my money in full. Yes. I got to keep the mic and my money was refunded. Mhm. So this one is too small. This was not how it looks on. Okay. I think it's manageable. Yeah. This is how it's looking. I think it's manageable. I don't really store my dirty clothes that much. Like once is like 10 piece or 15 piece, I just go wash them. So this is how it's looking. So the next thing I bought is this gym clothes. Is it clothes? I think this one is tight, not my dear. I don't even know what to call it. So this one comes in I think 6 piece. I'm going to be inserting the image on it so that you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes in 6 piece. I think I got this one for free if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got this one for free. See, this will, lift your your backside. If you know, you know. So yeah. So let's unbox this one. I think I also got this one for free if I'm not mistaken. And the material of this 3 sets. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. So I'm going to be inserting the picture on the screen so that you guys can see it. If I will be able to wear it, I will wear it and put the clip on the screen so that you guys can see how it looks on me. Okay, I think I'll be wearing it to see. I'll make a video of it. So now this comes in 3 tops. Okay, 2 piece in 3 sets, so different colors. We have the white, black and gray. So it also comes in the tops, the same thing. So like I said, I would be, oh my god, I love it. This is a house wear, not what I will wear out. No, I would never wear this one out because it's too small. I would never wear them out. It's too small. So this is how the shirt looks like. Okay, okay, okay. I love it. I love it. So this is the black, and this is the white. So the next thing I need to unbox, finally, my bed blanket. Yeah, blanket, bed blanket, blanket. So this one right here, I think, oh my god, it's so fluffy. And during harmattan season, I know this is going to be, I don't know, during harmattan season, you see that you get that shock you get from some materials like satin materials and chiffon materials. Those spark, I don't know how to put it. Like when you touch it, you are going to shock. Is that statement correct? Please bear with me. So yeah, I bought this blanket. Oh my god, this is not, it's not thick. I thought it was going to be thick, but it's not. See, okay, it's not a see-through, but the material, you see, is fluffy here, but the material is not thick. It's fluffy but not thick. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to spread it. Oh my god, what am I seeing, guys? I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something. Guess what? Did you see this? Did you see this hole here? Guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Temu. Temu. I don't know if I paid for this or this was free. I don't know. Did I pay for this or it was free? And it's not big. It's not. It's not big. Let's set this aside. So this is the other one I bought. Oh my God. I thought it was going to be. You guys should better not disappoint me. Let's see how this one looks. This is also a blanket. Oh my God. These people, eh? Although this one is more thicker, should I say? They are the same. I don't know if I can stand and be able to. I know this is going to be, it's going to be shocking. I know the material. It's not a good material at all. So we have come to the end of today unboxing. Let me remove this one here. We have come to the end of today's unboxing video. I know this video will be on a separate one. I'm not going to include it on my vlog because looking at it right now is 22 minutes and still counting. 22 minutes and still counting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this unboxing video of mine, and and I promise to do better while unboxing. Okay, I promise to do better while unboxing. So yeah, we have come to the end of this unboxing video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for liking, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do subscribe. Like I always say, subscription is free. They are not going to charge you. They are not. It's free. Okay, click on that post notification so that you will get updated anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Mwah. Bye.